Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a personal access token in GitHub. To create a personal access token in GitHub, first log into your account and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Click onto the settings, then on the left menu, select developer settings. It's placed right at the bottom of the tab so you won't miss it. Click personal access tokens. Then choose fine-grained tokens or classic tokens depending on your needs. For this one, we're choosing the classic. Once again, click here and choose the classic option. In here, you can start with giving it a name. Set an expiration date for this key or don't place an expiration at all. And choose the permissions you need in the scope. This is purely preference, so you can check whichever one you need. Examples are repo access or workflow access. Once you're done with everything, scroll down and click Generate Token. Now you have the token in front of you. Copy it right away, because GitHub will not show it again. So make sure to save it somewhere secure. You can now use this code in place of your password when authenticating from tools like Git, VS Code, or command line. It's a secure way to connect services to GitHub without exposing your account password. And that's how to create a personal access token in GitHub.